Hello friends. In this video, we will see how to create a new Gmail account from your mobile device. I am Jack from Educational Alliance. So, let's get started. And go to your mobile phone screen. Okay, this is your mobile screen. Click your YouTube app here. YouTube application will be opened. On the top right side, you see the profile icon. Click on it to open the profile menu. Below here, you see Add Account. Click on it. It will take a few seconds to open, so hold tight. As a new screen appeared here, now on Create an Account here. Then select For Myself like this. Enter here your first name accordingly. Then enter your last name in this tab. And click on Next here. Enter your date of birth here in the given format. Select month from this drop-down menu, then select a date. And in the last tab, enter the year of your birth. Now select your gender accordingly by selecting from this option, and then press Next it here. As you see, some suggestions for your new account appeared at here. You may choose from these suggestions. If you don't want them, select the next field and enter your email to create your own Gmail address accordingly and click Next it here. As you see, this address is already in use by someone, so we need to make some changes. I am going to enter digits to create a new Gmail like this, and click Next. Now create a new password for your Gmail account here. Just click and enter your password, and then click on button Next. This section is used for enter contact details, otherwise skip it. I am going to skip for now. Here Google is reviewing information and creating a new Gmail account for you. You need to click on Next, and you will be landing on the privacy policy page. Go through it and scroll down. In this last, your C button agreed. Just click on it. The system will take some time. As you see, your new Gmail account is created successfully. Now again click on the profile icon to open the profile. Here you see it's done. That's it guys. As you see how simple to create a new Gmail account in a mobile device. Thanks for watching this video.